கேம்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 2 சயின்ஸ் யூனிட் 2 வாட்டர் லெசன் புக் பேக் பார்க்கலாம். 1. Which of the following microorganism causes waterborne diseases? All other bacteria, virus, protozoa. அது மூணுமே என்ன பண்ணும்? வாட்டர்னால பரவுற டிசீஸை Second, water present in huge quantities as vapor and clouds in the atmosphere. 3. Dash water is free from suspended impurities underground. 97 of water is in oceans and seas. 5th one. Desalination is an artificial process of converting seawater into fresh water. Fill in the blanks. 1. The accumulated underground water comes out in the form of a spring. 2. The process of changing water into water vapor by the heat of the sun is called evaporation. 3. Rainwater forms streams and springs which join together to form rivers. 4. The process of collecting and storing rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. 5. Cholera is caused by bacteria. Match the following. Leakage of oil pollute marine organisms. Reservoir, dam. Desalination process. Rainwater harvesting, plant growth. Swine flu, influenza virus. 1. Write down the sources of water. River water and lake water, sea water, well water, spring water, underground water. 2. What is desalination? Desalination is an artificial process of converting saline water, other sea water, into fresh water. 3. What are the process involved in the water cycle? Water cycle consists of the following 4 processes: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, flowing back to oceans. What are reservoirs? A reservoir is an artificial man-made lake where water is stored. Most reservoirs are formed by constructing dams across rivers. A reservoir can also be formed from a natural lake. 5th question. How can we prevent dengue fever? We can prevent dengue fever by the following steps. 1. Spray the house with anti-mosquito spray. 2. Try to wear cloths that cover skin areas. 3. Close the doors and windows during early morning and evening. 4. Do not leave stagnant water lying anywhere in and around the house. 5th one. Answer in detail. 1. Write the advantages of rainwater harvesting. Advantages. Rainwater harvesting can reduce flooding in the cities. 2. Rainwater harvesting can reduce topsoil loss. 3. Groundwater level can be increased. 4. Groundwater can be conserved. It can improve plant growth. Second detail, how can we prevent waterborne diseases? Good personal hygiene should be practiced and basic sanitation should be improved. Chlorinated and boiled water should be used for drinking. Drink boiled or pasteurized milk. Dispose infectious waste properly.
இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடியுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.